What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, but not a fishing video. Today we are in St. Catherine picking grapes. Concord grapes, one of the best grapes you can use to make juice. So it's a beautiful plantation, as you can see behind me. And today is a very nice day. Cool, chilly, not too hot, it's not cold either. So we're here picking grapes, and let me take you and show you guys grape picking process. Okay, so I'm here with a good friend of mine, subscriber, full-time supporter. So he's gonna demonstrate to us how the grape picking process goes, what he used, how to cut, the best way to cut, and maybe the way how he process it.
Yeah, so huge shout out to Low Fishing Adventures for coming on this journey with us today. So don't forget to remember to share, like, subscribe, and tell all your friends about his channel. Nice channel. We love the adventures. We love the outdoors. So today we're just gonna give, as I said before, a short demonstration of how we pick the grape. This is called pick your own when you come on the farms. You know, mass production, I guess they do it differently, but we have our clippers here, and I'll just give you a quick demonstration. Very easy.
That's a nice bunch.
You're not too technical. Very easy process.
Okay, so question, when you clip it like that, right, wouldn't it kill the vine?
No, it won't kill the vine.
Okay.
Because this is where it puts the fruit out, so that's the reason why you don't cut the vine. If you cut the vine, then you will kill the vine. So that's where you put the fruit out, and this is the actual vine. So if you cut the vine, then you will be killing the vine.
Okay. So other questions, how long have you been coming here to pick grapes?
I've been coming here 3 years now to pick grape.
Okay, so once you've been here for over 3 years, that means that this is good business.
It's good business, man. You know, we pick and we make our own grape juice.
Okay.
And it's very delicious. And I guess later on we can give a demonstration of that too, when we, you know, bring them home and how we do that process.
So is it gonna taste like the actual Welsh juice?
It's even better, even richer.
Okay.
Like this one, man, even when you make this juice, if this one touch your counter, it stains. Like these are organic stuff, real organic stuff.
Okay. The pure stuff.
Pure stuff.
Nothing artificial.
Nothing artificial.
Okay. So we just want to say thanks for having us so far on this journey, showing us the process of processing the first stage of grape picking. You know, I mean, we really appreciate you coming here on my channel and, you know, just doing a little demonstration and what's not. So we just want to thank you for coming here. And is there anything else you want to say?
When I say, you know, whoever, you know, you can support this farm too. They are nice people. The price is reasonable, guys. Like, we show them what, you know, a bushel look like down here. This is what a bushel look like. For 20 something bucks. You cannot get this in store for 20 something bucks.
Okay.
So I guess my friend can, you know, leave a description of the farm down there. You can support them, you know, real nice people. And they have other products other than grapes too. So this is a lot of grapes, man. For 28 bucks. That's a lot.
guys, I'm still here on the grape farm, and right here beside me I have the owner of the farm. So the owner would be telling you guys more information than what my friend and I gave you guys. So it's better to hear it from the horse's mouth, straight from the horse's mouth. So here you go.
Okay. My name's Corey Lipsitt. I'm the owner here at Lipsitt Orchards and Vineyards. We're one of Ontario's largest Concord grape growers, and we do pick your own grapes. If you want to come out and pick your own grapes, you're welcome to do so.
I'm Cindy Lipsitt. This is my brother-in-law. Bring your family out. It's a great outing. Bring your kids. Have a little picnic there in the vineyard. It's beautiful, beautiful.
We have apples, grapes, pears, plums.
And good times.
Good Our location is 446 Kemp Road West, Grimsby, Ontario.
Okay.
Come out and see us. You will not regret it.
Okay.